Hello guys, so today is day 2 of the 21 day trading challenge, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you is how to create your trading account. This video is going to be direct and simple and straightforward, right? So why are we doing this? So in order for us to trade, you need a trading account. So we need a broker that will enable us to trade the forex market, or the commodities that we are going to trade, right? So which I'm going to explain later in this video. Um and also to enable you to learn the fundamentals, like how to place a trade, to understand like technical analysis, and to just familiarize with the whole trading system and all. So I'm going to like be dropping a lot of videos in the future to explain the rudiments and the fundamentals, and also to familiarize yourself with the trading, so before you go ahead and depositing actual money, because right now if you deposit actual money, I bet you are going to lose all your money, right? So yes, but and my goal is to help you make money, not to help you lose money. So that's how I'm going to walk you through the process. And while we are doing learning like the fundamentals in trading, also we are going to be leveraging on artificial intelligence to make money, so that the money that we made from artificial intelligence, we are going to use it to fund our account. So technically you are not really investing any of your money in the whole of the process, but then yes, that's it. And also I'm going to drop the link for you to get started like with creating your account. So why it's important to click on the link to register is because it's going to make me see all the people that are under me, so that I can be accountable for your growth, and also I can pick up my phone and call you to know how you are going in your challenge and all. So now that has been said, let me go to this video. And for those that are interested in joining, I'm going to leave the link in the description section, so join in, so let's make money together. So creating a trading account is super easy, right? So the first thing is to click on this link, which I'm going to leave in the description section. Now it's going to take us to our broker, right? So now this is what we are going to be using to trade, and here you see this the interface, pretty minimalistic. They say upgrade your way, so upgrade the way you trade, right? So you click on register. So here, do not click on try free demo. It's basically the same thing, because when we are done with the registration, we are going to create a demo. So it will tell you to choose your country of choice of residence. So you click here. So when you click here, there's going to be a drop down here. You see Algeria, Angola, and the rest here. So we are in Nigeria, so you are going to search for Nigeria, then click enter, then you put your email address, and you put your email address. So I'm going to put this. So then my password I've already created already. Then you click on continue, right? So here you click on I declare and confirm that I'm not a resident or citizen of the United States for tax purposes. Then click on continue. So the thing is super easy and straightforward. So that's how to create it. When you're done creating, right, so remember your password. So here now, very important. Now you see this partner code. So basically is the person that referred you. So that's my code. You are just going to copy it, and I'm going to leave in the description section, and you put it. What that does is that now it's going to allow me to track your progress and see how you are doing and what you are consistently doing. Now if you are getting it wrong, I'm going to see it, so that I can reach out to you and be accountable to you, right? Then that's how to do it. So when you are done, what we are going to do is, now this is the app, right? Exness, right? So now this is the app, right? So by the time you are done creating your account and your password, now you come here, you see almost same thing here. So instead of you are going to click on sign in, right? So here you put your email address and your password. So here I'm going to click it, and you see I get logged in. So here, it will require you to create a passcode that you are going to use to access your account. So you put it twice. Now, to create a demo account, I beg you, do not fund like a real account yet. So you click on create new, right? So here you see demo account, risk-free account. Now trade with virtual money, so you are going to click on tap on it. Then minimum deposit, so just leave it at $10. Then click on create to click here. Then now you are going to create a trading password, so I'm just going to autofill my trading password with the one that I use as Exness. So you see that my demo account, I have $10 to here is showing. So you see that it's here $00 to deposit. You click on deposit to add money. So I recommend you add like $20. So then click on next. You see that I have $20, right? So this is what we are going to be using to practice until I feel that, oh, you are good enough to fund a real account. So I, by the calendar of things, by next week, and you should be able to take trades and get used to this. I'll also show you how to use MT5. Then from there we'll go ahead funding our account. But while we do that, we are going to be making real money using artificial intelligence. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. Love you. Cheers.